fortified church. That's how it looks from the outside, yes. It had actually two circles of defense, two rounds of defense. So, the Saxons, because this is a Saxon village, they had guilds, right? And I was telling you that the guilds were taking care of places and stuff. And they were very well organized because they had to defend themselves against all these invaders. Written there. That is Second World War and that is First World War. People that came from this area and that died.
The Viscri fortified church is a Lutheran fortified church in Brasov County. It was built around 1100 AD by the Shecklers. It is one of the best preserved fortified churches in Transylvania. Initially Roman Catholic, it became Lutheran following the Reformation. Together with the surrounding village, the church was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site. So everything from over there up to here, they're all part of Viscri. If you're looking for a bird's eye view of Viscri and its surroundings, make sure you climb up into the highest tower of the church. While visiting, don't forget to visit the museum with its wide array of historical exhibits such as Saxon clothing, agricultural, and industrial displays.
Special ceramic to make the stones to heat up the houses. We have seen something similar in the Brand Castle just recently.
The 7-meter walls which make up the church fortifications were built beginning in the 12th century, forming an oval and made of river and field stone. 2 towers and 2 bastions were added in the 14th century. And now in Viscri. This is declared as UNESCO World Heritage Site in Romania. And this is my accommodation, sort of a bed and breakfast. And number 9. With a large bed. Simple but functional.
You just drink slowly.
So this is plum brandy.
It's a plum brandy, yes. Maybe also some wine. I think there is also wine included. But I'm not sure. No, you can really.
Okay, everything here is made locally.
Well, maybe not the grasses, but,
Oh, of course, yeah, the food.
but the food is made locally.
It's all organic. Thank you. The homemade vegetable soup was so delicious, I had 2 servings.
this.
Yeah. So this is our main course.
This pork,
Pork, mashed potatoes, and pepper.
pepper salad of this.
Bon appetit.
The best turkey.
For dessert, we have brioche, a type of Romanian donut. The town of Viscri was founded in 1185 by Saxon colonists. It's a small village that has preserved its medieval charm and rural way of life. As you wander through the village streets, you'll find yourself transported to a bygone era. The village is a living museum with its well-preserved traditional Saxon houses, many of which are now guest houses, offering visitors a chance to experience authentic village life. Many quaint, colorful homes feature wooden gates adorned with intricate carvings and cozy interiors. Okay, so this is the house that King Charles of the UK purchased. So this is his own vacation home while in Viscri. At the end of the day, I get to witness the daily March of the Cows, where the animals return home from the fields in the evening. Cows leave the village early in the morning to graze in the nearby fields and return at sunset. The villagers wait outside to lead the cows to their barns, where they walk slowly in single file, taking up most of the road. Visitors can watch the cows return home, which is an interesting experience and something not to miss. Oh, did I say it's not for cows only? Several goats also joined the march. Alright, here I am eating outside in this wonderful ambiance, eating outdoors, and everything is fresh, made from their farms in their backyard. The tomatoes are so good, cucumbers are so fresh, everything is made right here, cheese, meat.